What's up guys, I'm Frankie Garcia. You might know me from the Moto America King of the Bagger series. I'm building my custom ultimate performance bagger, and I'm starting with this 2023 Road Glide ST. And in a few short weeks, I'm gonna completely transform this thing. Today, I'm installing these Get-A-Grip hand grips. Grips are pretty simple and sometimes an overlooked part of a build, but they're the two most important contact points between you and your motorcycle. I like my grips to be comfortable and offer traction for great grip in any condition. These grips offer all that, and the aesthetics really stood out to me. The product description says these feel good on bare hands, as well as with gloves. Personally, I'm a glove guy. No glove, no love. But for you chopper dudes out there who ride barehanded, you might like these. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to install these. For the master cylinder, I'm just gonna use a T27 Torx to remove the two bolts out of there. Now I'm going to use a T25 and remove the switch housing so we can get to the grip. Now that the switch housing is removed, the stock grip slides right off. So the left and right grip are a little bit different. The right grip is gonna have the notches on the inside. It's a little bit more simple. The left grip has some different edges on it. Find the little notch in the groove that it sits in. Make sure that your logos are facing up, and we're gonna put it back together. So we're gonna start by just putting the switch housing back on. It fits over the grip here. Put the back on. And use that T25 Torx to tighten the bolts back up. So now we're just gonna put the master cylinder back on and tighten it all back up. Now that we got the throttle on, we're gonna switch to the left side of the bike and do the other set grip. During installation and before starting the engine, be sure to remove the right hand grip end plate and verify the hand grip rotates and returns freely. Refer to the service manual for your specific model motorcycle, which is available from a Harley-Davidson dealer. Now we moved over to the left side, and it's gonna be just like the right side, except we're gonna have to cut this grip off, and that's the only difference. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the clutch, and then we're gonna remove the switch housing, pull it apart, cut this grip off, and slide the new one in. This one differs from the other side because the throttle side has a throttle tube that slides in and out. This grip comes attached to this handlebar, and the new grip is a slide-on grip. So, like I said, we're gonna cut this one off and slide the new one on. I'm just gonna take this razor knife, and as safely as possible, I'm gonna slice this so we can peel it off of the handlebar and get it ready for the new grip. I'm just scraping some of the extra glue, the residue off the grip before we slide the new one on. And we should be able just to slide this on and bolt it all back together. We're just gonna put the switch housing back on, and then from there we are going to put the clutch perch back on, and we'll be good to go. I'll line the clutch perch up in the back here. And that's it. These are the Get-A-Grip hand grips. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit Harley-Davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Frankie Garcia, everyone's favorite bagger racer. See you on the next one.